Hello everyone, good evening. Today we are going to learn some more new commands in Selenium. Definitely it will be necessary for your project when you are um, running test scripts in Selenium using Java programming. Okay, and some of you have some questions. Why my video tutorials are little bit slow? Why do I speak slowly? Number one, these tutorials are created for the testers, those who are working as manual testers or simply just started learning software testing. And I just calm down and start from scratch, step by step, and I speak slowly so that everyone can follow my tutorial. Since in the U-test there are more than 400,000, 450,000 U-testers around the globe, and most of the country people are not habituated using English language. Many people, even many followers in the YouTube channel, um, they are speaking different languages. They are speaking languages other than English. They might find a little difficult to follow if I speak very fluently. So I'd rather speak very slowly so that again each and everyone can follow me. If I talk about myself, English is third language for me. I speak Garo language, then second language is Bengali, and then English. Alright, however, those who want to watch the video tutorials in a little speedy mood, you can just go to the channel, and what you can do, just click on the video, okay, then go to the settings, and the speed is normal now. You can make it 1.25 or you can make it 1.5, or even you can make it double if you want to do it. So problem has been solved. All right, now some might find intimidating in finding the videos because this channel, coding and testing, is more for both, and I Google should be only Google, and for both coding and testing, for web development and software testing. So what you have to do is, if you go to videos, there are hundreds of videos. You might find very difficult to find out that you are looking for. So what you have to do is just click on playlist, and it will give you uh, just uh, inside the list, like understanding technology, software testing for freelancers, Selenium with Java, and you can find tutorials for new freelancers, Selenium with Java, in Bangla, Python programming, global politics, Java tutorial in Bengali, understanding technology in Bengali, okay, front-end web development, and many more. Okay, and I'm going to create some more different tutorials. Okay, so now you know how you can find it. Just if you are following Selenium with Java, just click here. I just created operating system three, okay, three Selenium with Java step by step. And today I'm going to create the fourth one. Okay, so we are going to open it. Okay, so what we can do, this is our project. I'm not going to create a new project. In the same project, I'm going to my package is Selenium Basic. Then right button click, creating a class, and I write mm, Google search test. Okay, and I'm not checking this one, the main method. I just click on finish, and a class has been created in my Java project. This is my project. You remember, I think. This is Java runtime system library, and this is referenced libraries that we imported the Selenium jar into our project, and these are drivers. Okay, drivers. All right. Actually, drivers were in Selenium project. Okay, and this is a BDD behave is a different. I want to delete it. So, and this is another project. We will come to know step by step. Maybe after a couple of tutorial, we will work with Maven. Maven is um, a project management tool. Okay. Now, what we are going to do? We are going to write main, then control spacebar, then I press enter, and main method has been written automatically for me. Okay. Now, what we are going to do? We are going to instantiate browser. Instantiating browser, and we already learned how to do it. We write web driver. Okay, we are creating an object for web driver class. Okay, web driver is equal to new, and we are going to use Chrome driver. So Chrome driver. All right, and we have to terminate the line of code. Then we can see there is red mark. That means there is an error. To remove the error, to fix the error, we have to import the web driver from org OpenQS Selenium, where it is. It's right here. Okay. org. Let's see. You see, org OpenQA Selenium, OpenQS Selenium. All right. So we are importing from here. So I hover over, then click on import WebDriver, and WebDriver is class I told you, and I'm importing Chrome driver class also. Alright, now they have been imported here. Okay, and error has been removed away. Then I say driver dot, telling the driver to get string, and string is https colon slash slash google.com. All right, then we can check whether it is working fine or not, whether it can instantiate. It's not, because the path to the driver executable must be set by the WebDriver Chrome driver. Okay, so I just copy it. Okay, and we know what we have to do. All right, we know what we have to do. We have to write system dot set property, not properties, property, and here we have to just copy and paste here. Okay, then in the second argument is value, and value should be the path of the what driver. Where is our driver? Chrome driver. We know where it is. Where in the drivers? Where is Chrome? This is Chrome driver. So I just click a right button click, then click on property. Okay, then I just copy the link and uh, go back to my project. Okay, and I just paste here. Now it should be working. If still it doesn't work, then we have to terminate it. Then we have to do some more. We have to write some more codes if it doesn't work. If it works, I'm not going to show it. Okay, we will learn step by step. Don't be rushed. Okay, now the WebDriver invoke the browser and navigate to google.com, but this window is 2/3, right? So we have to expand it. We have to maximize it. Okay, how we can do it? Now we will write driver dot, I will tell driver to manage what? Manage window, and I'll tell how he will manage. He will maximize. Okay, maximize, and now we can right button click run as Java application. Click here, and it's invoking the browser, navigating to google.com, then maximizing the window. This is the beauty of Selenium test automation. Okay, not only Selenium, it's beauty of automation tools. It can be a unified functional testing, UFT, it can be Q2B, it can be robotic framework, robot framework, or robotium framework, or it can be Selenium with Python. Okay, whatever. Okay, now I will write say driver. This is new. This line of code is new for us. I'm telling to manage. Okay, manage what? Manage timeouts. Okay, timeouts, and uh, I'm telling to wait implicitly wait. Okay, wait how long I want. It's like 10 seconds, and I will say argument will be uh, time, okay, time units, okay, dot, it will be days, hours, milliseconds, minutes, whatever. I will choose seconds. Is there seconds? Yeah, timeout seconds, okay, seconds, and I will just terminate it. So I'm telling the driver to manage timeouts, and it's implicitly wait. Uh, Wait can be of two types. One is implicitly, and another one is explicitly. Okay, and I'm telling to wait 10 seconds. Time unit will be in seconds, okay, and 10 seconds. It can be 5 seconds too. It can be 15 seconds, depending on your necessity. Okay, so I'm telling the driver to wait implicitly 5 seconds. Okay, 5 seconds um, before it's going to find element, locating it. Okay, it will wait 5 seconds before it says it cannot find the elements. If it can find elements, it will execute the test maybe within a second. Okay, I think you got the point. Then I will say uh, driver dot find elements uh, by dot name. Okay, and name, if I go to Google, okay, this is the search area, and I inspect the element, and I click here. Okay, then I see ID is GSR. Actually, I'll click back here, and name is Q. Okay, so I just copy it, go back to the project, and name I just paste it, and say send keys, and it'll be just, I say Selenium. Okay, then I just say I can go here and take this element of this button and click on search, but I'm not going to do it. You know how to do it. Okay, by this time I just say driver dot close. Okay, driver dot close the browser, and driver dot quit. Okay, now you should know what are the difference between close and quit. Close means I am telling to close the browser that has opened right now when I am executing this test. And quit is telling to close all the browser that we opened during the test session. Okay, now let's see again. We can uh, we we know what's going on. Okay, these are test scripts, and these are setup, and these are tear down. If you are following my uh, Selenium tutorial with Python, then you will know what I'm talking about. Okay, if you don't know, then watch the previous tutorials and you will come to know. Now I can also run my test from Google search test, right? Just run as Java application. It's invoking browser, navigating to google.com, expanding the window, and it has closed everything. Okay, close the window. You look nice. Okay, now what I can say is I can say CISO control spacebar, and I can say test successfully completed. All right, and we can run the test from here also. So I'm showing you 3 ways we can run our tests. Okay, we can execute our test. Test successfully completed. And if you want to tell the driver dot get what get title that we learned in the previous tutorial, and we can say string, and we can save it into title. Okay, so title is what? It's variable is nothing but a container or a box where we store our data. We are storing this data inside this variable. It can be title, it can be your name also, it can be ABCD. Okay, or we can just now tell CISO and control space, then press enter, and I just say the title of the web application that we are testing is, okay, plus just title, and it will print the title, right? Just we can run the execute the test now. Invoking the browser, navigating to google.com, expanding the window, and executed everything, and we see the title of the web application is Google. All right, so we learn, if you say this Q is a big Q, then what will happen? Okay, excuse me. Uh, so willingly we put the wrong element, and let's see what happens. What happened? In C, it's saying test failed, right? You see info using name value Q, it cannot find it. All right, so the test failed here because we willingly uh, did it. Okay, so method is name and selector is Q, unable to locate the element, unable to locate the element. Why? Why? Because we willingly made our test case fail. Why? because we want to check. Okay, that's great. Now again, if you just write Q small cap and it's all right. Okay, that's the beauty of Selenium. Hmm? I think by this time you can understand what's going on. Okay, so my dear friends, today we learn uh, some new commands. One is this one, another one is this one. Okay, and we will learn a lot of things step by step. So thank you very much, and in the next session we will know we will learn some more um, elements with which we can find elements and locate them into our test scripts. Okay, and actually I want to discuss a little more about Java programming that is necessary uh, to understand the next tutorials. Okay, so thank you very much, and I appreciate those who are making beautiful comments both in UTest and in my YouTube channel, those who are subscribing and sharing with friends and family. Of course, if you think these tutorials are very helpful, please feel free to share with friends and family. Alright, thank you very much for investing your time to learn this tech skills. See you in the next session. Thank you.